Hi everybody. This tutorial is going to focus on an assignment found on Module 3.1. And if you scroll to the bottom, it's almost got all the way down there. It's on implicit biases. So I'll go ahead and bring up that assignment. And this assignment's called Implicit Biases and Exceptionalities. And the focus of this assignment is to understand all about biases and possible biases that you may have, or how you're going to avoid having those biases when you are a teacher. So I just wanted to go through and explain a little bit about this. The instructions are listed here, and then also there are 3 parts to this assignment. So that's why I wanted to make sure to explain it to you. The first part is part 1, case study. And you will be taking a look at a gender study research and a case study. And then your assignment for that portion is to click on the case study discussion thread. And this is a 10-point assignment to write a reflection in 100 or 150 words that explains David's experiences. So that's the first portion of the assignment. Now I'll go back to the main screen, and that's on implicit biases and exceptionalities. And the second part is to listen to these 3 NPR broadcasts, and then to watch David Turrell also on YouTube. And then after you've watched those, or listened to those and watched this one, I want you to go ahead and respond on this discussion thread. This is part 2 of this assignment. And basically what this is you need to respond in 250 to 300 words to these following questions about gender expectation, leadership bias, race, language, and implicit assumptions that suggest an implicit bias. And then finally, tell me what you think about David Turrell. Now the part 3 of this assignment is an implicit bias survey. So you need to read through this link first, and then complete this disability IAT portion, and then choose one of the following 2, race IAT or gender science IAT. Either one of those you can choose. So after you've done the disability and then either the race or gender science, copy and paste your results to this discussion thread. And this is a 10-point assignment with 150 to 200 word feedback answering these particular questions about your survey results. So in conclusion, there are 3 sections to 3.1 implicit biases and exceptionalities. The first one is the case study, the second one is the webcast, and then the third one is the survey. So I will go ahead and post this video on the top of this portion, and then I'll also send it out as an announcement. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.